1 മിനിറ്റ് ഒരു വ്യവസായം തുടങ്ങിക്കളയെന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ ആളുകളുടെ ഇടയിൽ ഒരു വിശ്വാസ്യത ഉണ്ടാക്കാനാണ് ഗവൺമെന്റ് ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്. 1 മിനിറ്റിൽ ഏത് വ്യവസായമാണ് കേരളത്തിൽ തുടങ്ങിയത്?
I still remember the government of Kerala introduced K-SIFT, Kerala Single Window Clearance System. So we were one of the initial users of that system. I still remember that day we were applying for a breakfast food processing facility, and I was sitting along with my colleagues in my meeting room. We started uploading the application with the help of a consultant. So I went for a coffee to my home, just came back and they told, sir, we got the deemed license. I couldn't believe. Immediately I called CII. Can you check, is it the original license or not?